opulence, luxury, premiumness, Johnny English reborn. These are the words that comes in your mind when you think about a Rolls Royce. And this is the most powerful Rolls Royce ever made, the Rolls Royce Spectre. So this is the first ever electric car made by Rolls Royce, and this is the black badge edition which was launched a few months back, and this is more powerful and more premium compared to the regular Spectre. Let's go around this car और मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ इस गाड़ी में आपको क्या क्या चीजें देखने को मिलती हैं. At the front you get this Rolls Royce grill, which is their signature grill. You get this Spirit of Ecstasy, which is their logo, as well as on the sides you get these very sharp looking projector headlamps. Moving towards the side of this car, first of all, I really love this color shade, and you can get 44,000 color option choices, and that's amazing. You can customize and color your car as per your own choice. Moving towards the side of this chart, you get these very chunky wheels, dual tone alloy wheels, and you get a lot of options जिसमें आप अलग अलग alloy wheels के जो styles है वो भी select कर सकते हैं. These are 23-inch wheels. And moving towards the side of this car, you can look at how sharp these lines and creases are. This car looks very aggressive compared to any other Rolls Royce, because this car is meant to be more aerodynamic and fast. Moreover, अगर मैं इसका यहाँ पे डोर खोलूंगा तो इसका डोर दूसरी साइड से खुलता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट फील वेन एवर यू आर गेटिंग इनसाइड अ कार. अंदर इसके बाद जाएंगे, बट लेट मी शो यू हाउ द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ दिस कार लुक्स. Moving towards the back of this car, in total this is a 4-seater car, but you only get 2 doors in this car. इसके अगर rear profile की बात करें, rear से भी this car looks very slim, very smart. You get these transparent tail lights which looks really cool with Rolls Royce branding over here. यहाँ पे भी आपको Rolls Royce badging मिलती है, and you get a lot of sensors over here. If I want to open the boot, I just need to press this button, and you can see you get a good amount of boot space here, where you can easily keep 2 से 3 बड़े बैग या 4 से 5 छोटे बैग्स, and you can close it from this button only. Now let's get inside this car and let me show you how luxurious our Rolls Royce is on the inside. So I'm finally inside a Rolls Royce, and to be very honest, this car is like a luxury on wheels. I guess even saying luxury on wheels is an understatement, because look at it, how premium this car looks. You get this touchscreen infotainment unit, you get one infotainment unit for the passenger side, you get a fully digital instrument cluster for the driver as well, you get this premium Rolls Royce steering wheel with some carbon fiber elements. Other than that, यहाँ पे आपको center console में कई सारे buttons मिल जाते हैं to access the AC controls, to access gear, map, touch screen and everything. Even the best part about a Rolls Royce, which you might have seen in a lot of Rolls Royces, this star treatment on the roof, as well as you get the same treatment on the doors. अगर हम इसके यहाँ पे seats की बात करें, you can see how well cushioned and plush seats are these. This car talks about premiumness, plushness, and how your future car should look like. Other than that, आपको यहाँ पे डैशबोर्ड एरिया में कई सारा कार्बन फाइबर एलिमेंट देखने को मिलता है, और इधर आपको इस गाड़ी के डोर्स बंद करने के लिए इसके डोर्स को सीधा खींचना नहीं पड़ता. You just need to click a button to shut these doors off. But the only thing, the perfect thing I love about this car is they still retain that OG styling of keeping an analog watch here. They haven't got any digital watch here. Keeping an analog watch just makes it perfect. Rear seats में भी आपको यहाँ पे इस Spectre में 4 लोगों की स्पेस मिलती है, जहाँ पे 4 passengers can easily sit and walk. So ये तो बात होगी इस गाड़ी के इंटीरियर्स की. अब बाहर चलते हैं and let's talk about how this car derives its power. So talking about the powertrain option, the Rolls-Royce Black Badge derives power from a 102 kilowatt hour battery pack, जो प्रोड्यूस करता है 659 bhp का पावर and 1075 Nm का peak torque. This car can sprint from 0 to 100 kmph in 4.1 seconds, और एक फुल चार्ज में इस गाड़ी से आपको लगभग 493 से 430 किलोमीटर का रेंज मिल जाता है. इस गाड़ी के अंदर कंपेयर टू रेगुलर स्पेक्टर यू गेट एन अपडेटेड चैसी, इंक्रीज स्टीयरिंग वेट एंड अ रोल ऑन स्टेबलाइजेशन सिस्टम, एज वेल एज इसके अंदर आपको डैम्पर्स भी मॉडिफाइड मिलते हैं टू मिनिमाइज द स्क्वाडिंग ड्यूरिंग हार्ड एक्सेलरेशन। मोरओवर इस गाड़ी के अंदर मिलते हैं आपको 5500 स्टार्स। दिस कार यू गॉट अ होल मिल्की वे इनसाइड। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइस। So if we talk about price of this car, वो शुरू होता है 7.50 करोड़ से and goes all the way up to 10 crore rupees. 10 crore rupees for an electric car by Rolls-Royce. Do you think it's really worth it? I think for the same, cause you get a powerful engine, you get amazingly plush interiors, as well as you get a very well curated car which is meant to drive and get driven by. आपके क्या व्यूज हैं अबाउट द रोल्स रॉयस स्पेक्टर? यू कैन लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, यू नो द ड्रिल, इस वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू गेट ऑल ऑफ फ्यूचर अपडेट्स।